In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on Netflix. By default, the app of Netflix will have the English language, but if you want to change it, let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Netflix app and then tap on your profile icon that you see on the top right. From the profile section, tap on Manage Profiles. Now the one thing that you need to know is that if you have multiple profiles on your Netflix, you will need to change them individually. So tap on any profile that you use or that you're trying to change the language on, and inside of Edit Profile, you'll see Display Language. Tap on the Display Language option and choose from these languages that are given. Just tap on the language, and if you head back, it's going to give you a menu. Just tap on Restart App, and the app of Netflix will restart. When the restart completes, as you can see, the language now has been changed from English to the one that you've selected. But as I earlier said, you cannot do it for all of your profiles. So if I tap and open up a different profile on Netflix, you can see it's still in English. So that's the exact process on how to change language on Netflix. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'll be back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.